In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to update website on Wix. By the end, you'll know exactly how to make quick content changes, add new elements, and push your updates with confidence. Once you're in the Wix editor, the fastest way to refresh your site is to update existing content. Click any text box to start typing, then use the editing toolbar to adjust the font, size, color, and alignment so it matches your brand. Keep your headlines short and clear, and use paragraph text for details to help visitors scan quickly. If you're updating an image, select it and replace it with a new file from your uploads. Aim for high quality, optimized images so pages load fast, and keep the same aspect ratio when possible to maintain a clean layout. If you need more room for new content, click Add Section. This lets you insert a ready method block like an about blurb, a services list, or a testimonial area, so you don't have to build from scratch. Choose a style that fits your site and place it where it naturally supports your message. Think of sections as your page's chapters. Each one should have a clear purpose. To add individual items, click the plus icon to open the Elements panel. From there, click Text, then choose Paragraphs. Drag a paragraph style onto your page and drop it exactly where you want it. Use the on-screen guidelines to line things up neatly with other elements. Consistency is key. Stick to your site's text style so everything looks unified. After dropping your paragraph, edit the copy, adjust spacing, and keep your line length comfortable for reading. When arranging new content, group related items together and leave breathing room around them. Use concise headings, short paragraphs, and clear calls to action. If you paste text from another source, use plain text to avoid odd formatting. And as you tweak colors, make sure there's enough contrast for readability. After you've edited everything, take a slow pass through the page. Check spelling, verify that links point where they should, and make sure spacing and alignment feel balanced from top to bottom. Read your new content out loud. If it sounds natural, it will likely read well on screen too. When you're satisfied, click Publish. This pushes your updates live for visitors to see. If you don't see changes immediately on your site, refresh your browser or clear the cache. That's it. Your website is updated and ready to go. Thanks for watching and happy editing.